A circle, if you're new to drawing, this one might be a challenge. Another little circle in the middle, tiny triangle for the nose. Let's do an oval and another oval on the side. That's going to be a back leg, believe it or not. And a hill shape across the top. A U shape, another U shape, and another one. And 3 more U shapes. These, of course, are legs. Let's draw these messy circles for feet. And a tail. And 2 triangular shapes for the ears. 2 ovals for the eyes. And we are ready to start inking this. Inside that outer eye shape, you're going to draw a circle and add the pupil. The eye on the far side will be slightly smaller because it's further away. Triangle for the nose. And draw the cat's muzzle, outlining the side of the head, the top of the head and the ears, and a couple of surface details on the head. This will help define the form. You can draw your whiskers now or leave it to the end. It's up to you. Some little indications of the shoulders and very lightly tap in some fur. Here's the side of the body and moving into the front legs now. Really paying attention to foreshortening in this foot. This cat will have an arching back and the hairs are standing up on its back. Here's one of the back legs. And I'm using my guidelines that I put down in pencil, but you can always make corrections as you go. You can see here I have the back leg a little bit shorter than I originally drew it. And the other front leg is the same. I'll put in some claws. These are just ovals. Tail. Since it's Halloween, I'll be making a spooky cat. Let's color the eyes in orange and bring out a really soft pencil. This is going to be a black cat, and I'm pressing harder on the areas that are behind other areas. So you can see at the boundary between 2 parts, the part that's behind will be darker and the part that's in front will be lighter. This will give the appearance of form. If you got value from this content, please do comment, like, follow, share, and save this video. It really does help me out. Happy Halloween, everyone.